Ever wanted to block a YouTube channel but didn't know how? Maybe there's content you'd prefer not to see, or perhaps there's a channel that's become more of a distraction than an entertainment source. Whatever the reason, knowing how to manage your YouTube experience can make all the difference. On a desktop, it's a straightforward process. First, log into your YouTube account, then navigate to the channel you'd like to block. Once you're there, click on the About tab, located on the channel's homepage right below the channel art. Scroll down to the flag icon. It's a small gray button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Block User and then confirm your decision by clicking Submit. Voila! You've successfully blocked a YouTube channel on your desktop. But what about mobile devices? The process is slightly different but still very manageable. Open the YouTube app and sign into your account. Find the channel you want to block and tap on it. Once you're on the channel's page, tap on the three-dot menu icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Block User. Confirm your decision, and just like that, you've blocked a channel on your mobile device. Blocking a channel means you'll no longer receive video recommendations, notifications, or comments from that channel. It's a handy tool for managing your YouTube experience, but remember, it's not the only one. YouTube has a range of settings that allow you to customize your viewing. From adjusting your notifications to managing your video recommendations, there's a lot you can do to make YouTube work for you. In summary, to block a YouTube channel, simply navigate to the channel's About page or menu, select Block User, and confirm your decision. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, these steps can help you manage your YouTube content and create a viewing experience that suits your preferences. So take control of your YouTube and enjoy a personalized viewing experience, free of unwanted distractions.